Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mage in Hearthstone. To begin, focus on understanding your hero power, Fire Blast, which costs 2 mana and deals 1 damage. This ability is excellent for finishing off small minions or chipping away at your opponent's health. Mages excel at controlling the game through powerful spells. Pay close attention to your mana curve, ensuring you can play impactful cards every turn. Mastering these fundamentals will set you on the path to becoming a formidable mage player. In the early game, your goal as a mage is to establish control and manage your opponent's board. Look for opportunities to play 1-cost, 2-cost, and 3-cost minions to contest the board. Use your Fire Blast hero power strategically to clear small threats or set up favorable trades. Avoid overspending your valuable removal spells on minor minions. Instead, save them for more significant threats that emerge later. Drawing cards effectively ensures you always have options. As you transition into the mid-game, Mage truly shines with its powerful spell arsenal. This is when you'll deploy devastating area of effect spells like Flame Strike to clear your opponent's board, often for 7 mana. Look for opportunities to play minions that provide ongoing value or strong stats. Combining your spell damage with your hero power can create efficient trades or push significant damage. Always think a few turns ahead, anticipating your opponent's next move to maintain your advantage. In the late game, your objective is to close out the match with powerful finishers. This might involve playing large, high-cost minions that demand immediate answers or casting game-ending legendary spells. Carefully calculate your potential lethal damage, often combining direct damage spells like Pyroblast, which costs 10 mana, with your Fire Blast hero power. Don't forget to use defensive spells or secrets to protect yourself from your opponent's counterattacks. Resource management is key to securing your hard-earned victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.